Hi there! Welcome to the School of Life Sciences and Chemical Technology, or LSCT for short. My name is John, a Year 2 student currently in the Diploma in Biomedical Science. And I would love to take you around my school and show you where we get a head start in making the next big scientific discovery. Let's go! As part of the Biomedical Science course, we get to handle different equipment in the labs. This is where we study, examine, and prepare different kinds of cells. We grow our cells in incubators and we keep them in biological safety cabinets to prevent contamination. Guess what's this? It's a centrifugal machine that separates cells from a cell suspension. We also check the health of the cells via a microscope. In the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering course, we use technology to keep things relevant to industry scenarios. In the Simulation and Data Analytic labs, we can see my friends operating a petrochemical plant simulator to analyze its responses during distillation. We are entering the Biopharma clean room, which is a sterile and clean environment. Let's gown up, sanitize our hands, and head inside. The clean room ensures that drugs and pharmaceutical products are created in a safe environment. Here's the upstream room where fermentation or cell cultures are performed. This is the downstream room to recover and purify proteins. Come on into our compounding studio that's used by our pharmaceutical science students. Look, my friend is making some tablets with a tableting machine. Next, we'll test if the tablets are durable and if they dissolve within the time limit. Once the drugs have passed quality checks, they'll make it into the store. We're moving into the experimental studio where my friends from the Environmental and Water Technology course are learning to tackle various environmental issues. We examine mosquito species in a microscope and learn how they are distributed in an urban environment. Also, they learn how wastewater is turned into drinking water. We'll use a special solution to clamp the algae before filtering it, and chlorine will be added to make it safe for drinking. Finally, let's get outdoors and work our green thumbs. Let's enter the shithouse where my friends from the landscape design and horticulture learn the basics of horticulture and how to propagate plants. My friend is propagating a plant to use for his research. We also learn how to make beautiful landscapes with plants. Can't wait to unlock the mystery of life and create new wonders of science with us? Come and start your very own journey with the School of Life Sciences and Chemical Technology at Ngee today.